Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have domain admin or delegated group policy permissions. This matters because without rights you cannot link or edit objects. Next, open the Group Policy Management console on a domain join server and locate the domain and the OU you intend to control. Create a new GPO and give it a clear name that reflects purpose. Once done, plan security filtering and any WMI filters to narrow scope. Make sure to document the intended recipients before moving to configuration. Now edit the GPO and choose computer or user configuration depending on the change. You will find administrative templates, preferences, and scripts. Use them appropriately. Configure individual policies one at a time, testing and explaining why each is enabled or disabled. Avoid broad, unnecessary settings. Then, set the scope. Link the GPO to the OU, adjust security filtering to limit application, and add WMI filters if hardware or OS checks are required. Once configured, to finish, deploy and test. Run jeepupdate/force on a client and inspect the outcome with jeepresult/r or rsop. MSC so you know which settings applied and why. Verify Active Directory replication and sysvol share consistency. Use repadmin and check event logs, because stale replication blocks GPO distribution. If something fails, confirm permissions, network connectivity, and client clock sync. Also review link order and enforced settings. A key troubleshooting tip: if policies don't apply, check replication and security filtering first. Most errors trace there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.